channel. I'm Amy and today we're doing another Clean With Me challenge video. This is a series that I started a few weeks ago where I challenge you guys to get some sort of cleaning done, and you let me know in the comments if you want to accept the challenge and if you get it done so that I can give you guys some praise for your hard work. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning videos, and let's go ahead and jump right into this. Just in case you hear something going on in the background, it is storming outside, so if you hear thunder, that's what that is. Also, my dishwasher is going too because I'm filming this after I've already done the cleaning part of this video. So, what you're going to need today to clean is some distilled vinegar. I'm using Odor Cleanse, which Odor Cleanse actually sponsored this video, so thank you to Odor Cleanse. I'm absolutely loving this product, which is why I'm sharing it with you guys. I also have it linked in my Amazon store below. And then baking soda. So this is what we're going to be using today. I am cleaning the sink and the disposal and also the dishwasher. So we'll go ahead and get started cleaning. The first thing that I'm going to do is unload all the clean dishes out of my dishwasher and put them up. Next, I'm going to take a cup of white distilled vinegar and I'm going to put it in a measuring glass. You can put it in any dishwasher safe glass that you would like, or bowl or whatever, and just put it open on the top rack. And then I'm going to run my dishwasher at the hottest, longest cycle possible. And while the dishwasher is going, I'm going to go ahead and wash any of the dishes that are in the sink by hand and then dry them off and put them up. Next, I'm going to clean out my sink using dish soap, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap here. And then I've also gotten the question about how to get stains out of your porcelain farmhouse sink. If you have a white sink, you know that sometimes you get little brown spots after a while, and I have come to find that if you sprinkle some baking soda on it and then leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes, then come back and rinse it and then scrub it off, you'll see a huge difference. But sometimes I have had to do this process several times in a row and it's awesome. But this time I did not have any spots on my sink, so I'm just cleaning with the dish soap. Next, I'm going to be using my Odor Cleanse to clean the inside of my garbage disposal area because you guys know that it can get pretty stinky in there. So I try to do this at least once a month. And you just shake it, pour about a cup to a cup and a half of the product into your garbage disposal area, or if it's your regular sink, then you can do that too. It doesn't have to be a garbage disposal. You're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and then come back and rinse it out. While you're running the water, you're going to turn on your garbage disposal. And after you've done that, you might want to add a little bit more product, just a little squirt, and then rinse it again and you're done. A lot of people do use baking soda or lemon or whatever to clean the inside of their disposal area, and I used to do that as well, but I do love how Odor Cleanse just takes out all the thinking and all the extra work, and I can just squirt the product in and I'm done. After your dishwasher cycle is done, you're going to open it up, and what's going to be left is the cup, but it's going to actually be filled with water from the dishwasher cycle. The vinegar will have already gone completely out, and it will break up all the grime and stuff inside of your dishwasher. So just pour that water out into the sink, and then you're going to take a little bit of baking soda and sprinkle it all around in your dishwasher. I usually do about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and this is going to actually clean all of that mess off of your dishwasher. And then you're going to run another cycle of the longest, hottest setting, and after it's done, then your dishwasher should be nice and spotless. Alright, so that's it for this challenge. Y'all definitely let me know down in the comments below if you accept the challenge or if you completed it, and that way I can chat with you guys and tell you how awesome you are. And if you are at all interested in checking out Odor Cleanse, it is in my Amazon store, and the link to that store is down in the description box. You can check that out. I absolutely love this product, and I only share products with you guys if I really love them, so definitely check that out. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.